Greetings everybody, welcome to one more episode. Yeah, so right now, I'm there with Sir Dina and wife and daughter. Yeah, yeah man, so rain did fall a couple days ago. So we actually take a ease off little and say alright, a time now for come water things again. And you can see the son a deal with them man. Them kind of wither little, you know, them not stand up strong again, but them not dead. And them a blossom as well. And this one actually have a fruit. You can see tomatoes on this one, yeah. Oh, tomatoes on this one. Look here. Salad. Yeah man, Jano. We have tomatoes ready. Tomatoes are growing. Move from blossom to tomato now. Alright. I'm gonna check out these strawberry real quick. Alright, over here look green and nice. Whoa. Well, I have strawberry ready for pick. Man, look here. Strawberry ready. And look here too. Strawberry them ripe. Ready. Oh my gosh. Look like something I'll nibble upon that. Alright. Man, got a red and nice one. Alright. And you have the pak chai. Them kinda son a beat pon them hard man. Them are going still, them still alive. Little cabbage right here. Up here we have the lettuce now. You can see them kind of wither little. But still green and still have life. And look at these basil, them growing strong. Them no mind the lack of water, the basil them are doing nice. And we have a garlics that we did here. I need some water man. And the one herb tree what look like it's a male plant. When you see its top like this is male. Alright. I have the tomato right here. We have a bees on this flower right there. And we have tomatoes right here. We have some carrots right here. Look like goat. Look like goat come munch. And we have the popcorn right here. Look like goat come munch as well. So here, look at them lettuce one. I'll make a sandwich with some right now. Alright, so Dino start water the thing them down there, so I'm going to help Sir Dino. So see you guys soon. Alright everybody, we just done water everything. Thanks for Dino help, man. I'm a wife and child pick company. So give thanks for them too. So yeah, see it, look here. Everything water now. Water tomato, the cane, mint tree, strawberry, lettuce, pak chai, basil. You know, so I have to come down a little more often. Water thing them because the sun get a little hotter now, man. So yeah. Soon again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Blessings. Just before we finish, just remember we have the strawberries to pick. So I would say this one looks little, but we still will take it. Got it ready. And then these ready. This can grow. And one more over this side, well ripe. Something probably nibble upon the edge of that. And yeah, some more flowering. Just making sure I'm not missing out any. Alright. So we have a couple strawberries. If I go use them make things. Alright, so thanks for watching everybody. See you again in the next one. Greetings everybody, welcome back. You know, been a while, but see we are there again. Rainfall a couple of days, so we give thanks. So it never fall for a little while, so we are check back to see the progress and everything. So have a look. So these are the tomatoes. You can see that the ones in the shade still look alright, but the ones in the hard sun kind of withering little. And guess what? Plummies are coming. A lot of plummy tomato, man. Salad. If I say salad them are coming, you know? Can make up some nice salad soon. Look at that. A lot of fruit. Let me check my hand here because I feel like some ticks have me. No, I'm good. Yeah. But the tomato with our little man. Salad. So most of them have fruits. We have salads coming. Look at this pretty one. And to check on the pak chai. Oh, them look green and nice, man. Look at that. Very nice. This one looking nice as well. Look at this. So yeah, you don't know Dean up there watering the lettuce and thing, and wife and child over this side checking on the strawberry. Check on the strawberry. Yeah, this is the update. So as you can see, a little barrier is here. I don't know if the goats were entering and probably messing about the strawberries. So it look like the tenant on the land them actually help put up a little fencing, you know, to help protect the strawberries. So give thanks for that. Yeah. We still have little strawberries here and there. See it? Oh, we have one can pick today. A lot of strawberries under here, man. Look at that. Look at these strawberries. Yeah. Look like them need some water, man. So I'm just showing you guys the basil and stuff, and then we'll get this water in on the road. Yeah, I see rainfall, that's why I'm never too come. Yeah, like 2 times per week. Yeah.
That's why they say they know we're down that far.
True. Money base of them nice, eh? Cause them big. All this one flowering, not even know what's a base of flower. Yeah, can use up the base one.
Can you use it now?
Yeah,
No, I can't use it.
you're free to pick. And look at the lettuce them. Them are going strong same way. Get a close up. Them coming. The greatest thing them not dead. We have a next tomato up here. Look nice. So yeah. Man, look at this lettuce over here, so. Luscious. Nice. Yeah man, 130 odd lettuce. So yeah, you remember the popcorn? Couple make it. Can look like we still have goat coming over this side and eating some, so we see which one make it and which don't make it. And the cabbage them over this side looking nice as well. So yeah, we'll continue water the thing there and then get back to you know. Blessings.
One by one, I go Babylon. One by one, one by one. They're to the other land. And gonna heaven. And cross over. Never make it to stop.
So many water them hard. So sir. Yeah. And some the coming hard. Yes everybody, there you have it, one more day on the farm. Yeah, give her thanks for the journey. That's the update right now. Yeah. Everything get water now. Tomato, pak chai, cabbage, lettuce. What you call it, the basil, the strawberry, you know. So give thanks. Look food for the kitchen. Thanks to Sir Dino, come help you out. And you don't know, wife and child come for the company as well, so give thanks. Yeah, evening time now, so night soon come. See moon up there, so. So yeah man, thanks for watching again. I'll see you again tomorrow. Perfect love.